So everybody knows the Olympics, right? How they do them each year. They compete for sports and medals. So I'm talking about the flags, and the raise at the Olympics are always at the same height to show respect because each flag means something different. So they want to show respect to everybody, so that's why they do them at the same height. So the most common flag is, well, to us is a flag, the American flag. So we all know why. It has 13 stripes and 50 stars. But do you guys know what the red, white, and blue stands for? The white stands for purity and innocence, which is debatable nowadays, I guess. Red stands for hardiness and valor. Blue stands for justice and perseverance. Then the Japan flag is pretty simple. It's just a white flag with a circle in it. It doesn't look like much to us, but the red circle represents the sun, because they live on it's very west of the Pacific Ocean, so they get a beautiful sunrise, so that's what their flag is for, and so they're proud of that. They take beauty, part of nature. The Indian flag is kind of complex. It's actually kind of religious, with the Oshaka chakra, something like that. It has 24 spokes for the 24 personalities for a person. Blue is for the ocean and sky. That's actually not orange. They call it Indian. They call it Indian something. The white stands for purity and innocence, like the United States, which is interesting, so we share the same values there. Green is growth in their culture and nation. Then this is a Sweden flag. Should have put the title. We got the yellow cross represents Christianity, so Sweden and Japan, no, not Japan, and India's flags both have religious values to them. It's a yellow cross represents Christianity. It's blue and yellow because Magnus III, the king, he had a blue and yellow coat of arms. Then Spain's flag is super complex. Red despite strength and bravery, while yellow despite generosity. Depicts, sorry. And you can see it in very small letters on the banners, on the pillars. It says plus ultra, which is, it means more beyond. So they take Christopher Columbus into consideration for finding the New World. So that's pretty interesting. And as flowers, they're too small to see in this picture, but they represent their history. It's a kingdom and a house of just wealthy people. So they take history pretty serious in their culture and the flag. Then, like I was going over the similarities between some, like Sweden and India, with the religious values. America and Japan, no. America and India too, with the purity of the white. So it's just important to see the differences and similarities we have between some cultures. We respect other values. That's it.